The problem is you, and you don't want to fix it. Every day I walk this earth and I see average. This has to be in you. Something in you has to wake up.
How many times are you going to keep using that excuse? You can't keep using that same lame excuse every year. How many times have you told yourself, oh, I'll just start tomorrow. Oh, I'll just start at the beginning of the year. Oh, I'll just start in a couple of months. How many excuses? But the real truth is, what's holding you back? And a lot of times it's ourselves. Hi, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am 𝚲𝚃, and we're back with another video. Today is very personal for me. Felt like I needed to talk to you guys. And you clicked on this video probably because you want more out of your life and you're tired of making excuses for yourself. Well, I'm tired of you making excuses too. We can't just keep making excuses together, okay? We gotta push ourselves a little bit here. If you're feeling stuck or feel like you've been running in circles, or maybe you're just waiting for that right time, let me tell you something. The time is now. Whether it's your fitness, whether it's your mindset, your career, or even within your relationships. There is no perfect time to start leveling up. Today, I'm here to remind you of your greatness. The greatness that's within you. And greatness doesn't wait for the right moment. You have to create it. So today, we are talking about how we are going to level up, how we are going to show up for ourselves, how we are going to chase our dreams, our goals, and become the best version of ourselves. We are in the winter arc. If you don't know what the winter arc is, been trending these past few months on TikTok. I'm sure you probably seen it here on YouTube as well. But let me tell you guys exactly what winter arc is, just in case if you've stumbled on this video and if you have no clue what it means. So winter arc is when we use winter's coldest months and darkest days to refocus, set goals, and to change our life. A time where every man must face the mental and physical challenges of winter. So basically, personal growth and self-improvement is what we focus on during the winter arc. Usually, instead of like slowing down in these months, people will use this time to level up. The term arc refers to a period of character development, similar to narrative arcs in stories. But really in the fitness world, it symbolizes time to work hard in silence. So a lot of times during these months, people usually have seasonal depression, they usually slow down, and they just pretty much wait until the new year to start refocusing on their goals and their dreams and leveling up. But no, we're not doing that. We're not waiting to the new year. We're not gonna wait months and months to start finally putting forth effort and work towards self-development, our goals, our dreams. We're starting now. One of the biggest lies to ourselves, we need to be ready. Waiting for the perfect moment is like waiting for the sun to rise at midnight. It's just not gonna happen. What we need to understand is progress comes from action and not perfection. The more you delay, the more opportunities slip through your fingers. So in my opinion, start messy, start scared, start with doubt, start with fear. And if any of these things you're feeling at this current moment, if you have to, you just have to start. Even if you're feeling those things. You will never feel 100% ready. And that is simply okay. The most important thing is that you just continue to keep moving forward. One step at a time. That 1%, y'all. We often think about success as giant leaps, but in reality, it's the little victories that add up over time. Consistency compounds. When you string together small wins, that's where the magic happens. You'll look back 3 months, 6 months, or even a year, and realize that you've transformed. That's why it's so important to continue to keep going every single day. But really, the struggle is a gift. Yeah, the hard time. The moments that you feel like quitting. Those are the moments that shape you. You have to go through discomfort to grow. So think about it. Every person that you look up to, whether it's an athlete, an entrepreneur, or someone in your personal life, they didn't get to where they are by avoiding challenges. They embraced them. They leaned into that discomfort, knowing that on the other side was growth. When you push through those tough moments, you become mentally stronger, physically tougher, and emotionally emotional resilience. So when you hit a wall, remember, this is exactly what you need to push yourself to that next level. And like I've mentioned in plenty of videos, motivation will come and go. You need discipline. That's what's gonna carry you through. Set yourself up by building systems. Put reminders on your phone. Create a habit tracker or even a reward system for yourself, something that will help you and push you to keep going. The goal is to make habits so ingrained in your life that they become non-negotiable. Just like brushing your teeth or eating your breakfast, your daily habits should start to become a part of who you are. There is nothing standing in the way between you and the person that you want to become, except for the excuses that you keep telling yourself. But today, I want you to make a promise, not to me, but to yourself. Make that decision that you're going to start, no matter how small or imperfect it feels. Because the truth is, there will never be a better time than right now. The next 3 months, the next year, it's all up to you. So stop waiting for permission and stop waiting for the perfect time. Your time is now, y'all. It is now. I just want you guys to remember, I want to just encourage you guys to keep going and to know, no matter what you say to yourself and all of the negative talk, at the end of the day, we, meaning me, meaning you, we are the ones that can change it. We are creating our lives by the way we speak, the way we view ourselves. Like, it's literally what we're saying and we're speaking. You're gonna keep digging yourself deeper and deeper into a hole that then you cannot see yourself out of. Like I've mentioned before, if you feel like you just do not have the willpower, or you feel like it's just your negative talk is just so bad right now, and you feel like you cannot push forward or even get a positive word out, I'm here to encourage you today that it literally takes one step to get out of that. It may not happen right overnight, but if you continue to just take 1% every single day, you will eventually start seeing the light. 1% every day. And it can just be as little as I brushed my teeth today, or I drank a cup of water. I read 1 page out the book. It's 1%. Don't try to do everything at once. When you do that, you're gonna get overwhelmed. And usually people that do that, they start and then they stop. I say go at your pace, reward yourself for taking those steps. Just know that you can do it. Once you start, you're gonna feel so much better. You're gonna really see improvement in yourself. It just continues to just like motivate you and push you. When you start seeing the changes, you will literally start slowly seeing these changes. It will boost your mood. You're gonna start feeling better. You're gonna start feeling healthier, mental clarity. These are the months that we have to push ourselves. Yes, I know it's cozy season. That doesn't mean we can still have cozy season, but that doesn't mean that we push our goals aside and are leveling up to the side. We can still level up with these cozier months, but it's about doing these things in silence. You are going to be working on yourself these next few months into the year. We're going to continue to keep working on ourselves. So this ain't going to stop. Like, this is not a one-time thing. Like, we're going to continue to keep improving. Self-improvement always. But these are the months that we should start now before the new year. We're not waiting until the new year to start. We're starting now, and we're going to start working on it so that way when the new year comes, we're already in the groove of things. And we're 10 steps ahead. These are the months that we should be working on ourselves and just really locking in. It's literally time to lock in and not do these excuses no more. Like, the excuses of I'm tired, I can't do this no more. I just like, baby, those excuses is not gonna get you nowhere. It's not gonna get you closer to your dreams. It's not gonna get you closer to your goals. It's not getting you closer to anything, but it's really pushing you further away. So we gotta drop the excuses. If you're not feeling it, y'all, it's literally a feeling. There's a lot of times we're not feeling it. There's a lot of times we're just tired. There's a lot of times that we just don't wanna do it, but that's the part of discipline. We have to push ourselves. It's like you gotta stick to the plan. If you have the plan, which the plan is the winter arc, the plan is for the goals, a 5-year plan, the 2-year plan, stick to the plan. Regardless of what we're feeling, we know what the end game is gonna be. We know where we're trying to go. So it's like we have to stick to the plan regardless. How bad do you want it? That's just really what it boils down. Like, how bad do you want it? Obviously not bad enough because you're just still sitting there on the couch doing nothing. So at the end of the day, we just gotta take necessary steps, one step at a time. That's all I have to say, folks. That's literally all I have to say. I just wanted to come on here and encourage you guys, but to also talk about the winter arc, because I know it's trending right now and I know everyone's talking about it. Really, these are the months that we need to use and take advantage of. And I know I'm taking advantage of it. I know that I want to be better. I want to be the best version of myself. Once you start seeing those improvements within yourself, it's like you just want to continue to keep going. Yeah, there's going to be times you fall off. Don't get me wrong, because life happens. We get it. We get it. We get it. But at the end of the day, it's still about, you got to continue to progress regardless if you had a bad day. All right, tomorrow is a new day and we're going to keep going. So it's like not letting those bad days get you down or throw you off. Continue to keep pushing yourself to every day 1% better. All in all, y'all, I just want y'all to know that I believe in you. I know you can do it. I want to encourage you. I want to push you, and I want to push myself as well, because I want to continue to be better. I want to continue to keep growing and become the best version of myself. And I want you to do the same. I want us to thrive for this new year of 2025. I want us to feel good, confident. Like, I want us to really start seeing that we can and that we will get the things that we desire, but also like a little tough love, but to know that we can do it. And I love y'all so much, and I hope that this was an encouragement. Hope you guys really heard me. Please follow me on my socials if you have not followed me. Subscribe, like this video if you enjoyed it. You will succeed. So at the end of the day, I really just hope that this stuck with you guys. I love y'all, and I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye, you guys.
She moved out of state and shit that went left. She seeking forgiveness.